Welcome everybody to another video about crypto.com. In this video, I would like to show how you can get 20% per annum on CRO tokens without staking any MCO. We also take a look at my earnings and how the payout looks like. By the way, credit card fee waived in June. You can buy crypto directly with your credit card. If you want to buy some now, it is a good time to save on fees. I've bought some crypto with my credit card. It works great and you get your crypto instantly. They are doing a lot of things right. I really love this company. But let's continue with the staking. This is the Crypto Earn program. You can earn different percentages depending on the coin, the lockup period, and how many MCO you have staked. To get the maximum reward we would have to stake 500 MCO with a lockup period of 3 months. Then we would get 18% per annum as you can see here. Another 2% if we stake 5,000 MCO or more. Let me know in the comments if someone has this many MCO. I would be very jealous. Let me show you how we can get 20%. It only requires a longer time period. Therefore we don't have to stake any MCO. Now we are inside my account on the exchange. Under Stake and Earn you will find all the benefits that come with CRO staking. All we have to do is stake at least 5,000 CRO tokens to receive 20% APR daily. Let's go ahead. Remember the staking period is 180 days and every time you decide to stake more CRO tokens, the time resets to 180 days. If you have at least 5,000 CRO tokens, then you simply hit review staking and you are good to go. I have 100,000 CRO tokens staked. Let's take a look at my earnings. You can see that they pay out every day around the same time and that I receive 54 CRO tokens every day. I have started staking CRO in April and the payout has been very reliable ever since. If I go back in time only the date changes, but the rest stays the same. There are more benefits if you stake CRO on the exchange. One feature is great that I just found out while making this video. Therefore we have to head over to soft staking. You earn interest if you keep your coins on the exchange. Your interest rate changes if you have less or more than 100,000 CRO staked. Here are all the coins you can earn interest on. I remember a few years ago when I had a lot of my coins on Binance just sitting there doing nothing. People always keep a few coins on exchanges, so it is great that crypto.com rewards you for it. First time today that I found my soft staking earnings. Never noticed it before. But it is a cool feature, and it earns you little money, and if you have coins on the exchange anyway, a small reward is better than nothing. We went over the earn interest section before. Currently, there are 3 other benefits of staking CRO tokens. Discount fees, the syndicate, and rewards when you pay with CRO tokens. I have covered the syndicate event in another video. A video link should pop up on the top now. If you want to learn more about it and how you can profit from it. In the next video, I am going to show you my top 3 crypto lending platforms and how I earn passive income every day. Don't forget to leave a comment and like the video to participate in the $100 Bitcoin giveaway. Thanks for watching. See you next time.